Hello, my name is Juan Diego Garzón. I live in the municipality of Pitalito, Huila. I study at the university and I will tell my story of the course English. Happened on the Thursday of last week. I woke up and then do my work up. I prepared everything though it and I communicate with my partner. We'll have dialogue for more than 2 hours about how to make the Word document. We have worked on the 10 hours a day for the last week. But my partner have lots of documents, and I have forgotten what I said, so we have to do everything again. And this is my story. Thank you, teacher.